everyone. I hope you guys have amazing day. Today we are here at Mikonos Grill, one of the great restaurant in Milpitas, California. Going to order the food and test the food, and I tell you how does it taste. Hey brother.
Good, how are you, sir?
All right.
Mikonos Grill.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You know me?
Ali. Okay, nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. So I'm from YouTube channel Coffee Dali. I usually any Halal restaurant, I go there, they cook for me, and I test the food, and I tell the people how does it taste.
Okay.
Are you ready for that?
Welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
What would you like today?
Awesome. Thank you so much. What's your promise for? Which dishes are really good?
Okay. We have a Hero plate,
Okay.
number 9,
Okay.
and the chicken soplaki plate,
Okay.
or combo plate, chicken and lamb to share.
Okay.
A good meal.
Okay. Make for me 2-3 different.
Okay.
I gotta test. Is it okay I can cook together?
Yes.
Awesome. So Nila is a great manager here. He ready to be cooking together. I order my food. Now I go to inside. We cook together. Let's go. Baklava. We are start cooking.
Lamb, chicken. We're gonna do some falafels. We're gonna do some Greek fries.
Okay.
So you can try everything that we make.
Great.
Then we're gonna do our gyros.
Look at this.
Okay.
Wow.
And then
Cool. So how long you cooking? How's your experience?
we've been in business for 26 years.
26 years. Awesome.
This location is going on 12 years,
Okay.
and we've been part of the community here, the Muslim community in Milpitas, Fremont,
Okay.
and North San Jose.
Awesome.
And everybody knows who we are.
Okay.
All the Muslim masses, they come and eat, they enjoy it,
They enjoy the film.
and they support our business, and we support their community. So we're
Awesome.
part of the community.
That's awesome. So basically, you're around here in Milpitas 26 years, yeah?
No, this location 12 years.
And but
I have
total.
another location in Campbell and Cupertino.
Okay.
That is
Probably I
really-
visit the other location one day.
One day, yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
And they've been there for since 1988.
1980.
Yeah.
Wow, long time.
Okay, so ready?
Yep.
So this is the gyro. It's a mixture of beef and lamb,
Okay.
halal, and so we carve as people order.
Okay.
So you can see the flame here.
Wow.
Then we just lightly grill it.
Look at the sizzling. So which kind of meat is it?
Beef and lamb.
Beef and lamb,
Yes.
Awesome.
We put it on a pita bread.
Okay.
Next we add our homemade tzatziki,
Salsiti.
which is yogurt, garlic, and cucumbers,
Okay.
red onions,
Awesome.
and chopped tomatoes.
Great.
Next we wrap it. There you go.
Simple and delicious.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
We're gonna put it on a plate because I don't have any
Okay.
plates. We're not serving right now
Okay.
here.
Okay.
So we're gonna put Greek fries.
Okay.
Now we're making the salad, romaine lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, feta,
Okay.
and calamari olives, and our homemade dressing.
Okay. This you're made by self, yeah?
Yes, homemade dressing. Yeah.
Okay. Where are you from originally?
Mexico.
Oh, Mexico, guys, here serving halal food. Great job.
There you go.
Awesome. We have now, what's called this one?
A gyro, a
A
Greek
gyro?
salad.
Greek salad and
Yep.
gyro. Okay.
Now we're making the Greek fries.
Okay.
Nice and crispy.
Awesome. Look at the crispy.
Parsley, garlic, and feta. We put our homemade sauce.
Okay. Look at this.
Try it so you can let me know.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay?
So time for
Falafels.
falafel.
Oh.
It's almost, yeah?
Yeah, hummus. There you go.
Awesome. So one dish is 2, 3, 4. Awesome.
Okay, this one.
This is the. Look at this. The rice is the lamb or beef?
Lamb and chicken.
Lamb and chicken. Okay.
Yeah. You can also get beef or salmon.
Okay.
So here we go with the rice.
Okay. Oh, this is the Greek rice, yeah?
Greek fill-up rice.
Okay. This is basmati?
Jasmine.
Jasmine.
Yes.
Okay.
There you have it. Then we're gonna put our meats.
Okay.
And it's gonna be ready to go.
Awesome.
This is ready.
It's ready. Awesome.
The chicken, one more minute and it should be ready.
Okay. So this plate come with lamb, chicken, rice, and
Tzatziki, which
So-
is the yogurt, homemade,
okay,
onions, tomatoes,
okay,
and pita bread.
pita bread.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. There you have it.
Awesome.
Ready to go.
Thank you so much. Thanks for everything.
Thank you.
Now we go outside, eat the food.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Go try it, yeah.
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 Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Times we start eating food. Let's start from lamb kebab. Look at the lamb kebab. Wow. So delicious. Amazing. The lamb kebab is tender, rich. Let's try the chicken kebab. Chicken kebab is spongy, juicy. So try it. So delicious. The Greek rice. So awesome times for gyro. Gyro's saucy. There's different sauce inside. The meat is cooking, juicy, and inside is juicy, rich tomato, onion, and the other veggies, fresh. Meat is juicy. It's a filling. Awesome. Let's try salad. Salad is fresh. preference for falafel, yeah? Okay, tell me more about your experience.
People love our food. It's fresh, daily made. Not everything is made from scratch. Falafel is made from scratch with no flour, just straight garbanzo beans and the parsley, cilantro, the onions. They're homemade every day, so they're fresh. People come for dozens of falafels, trays of falafels.
Okay.
And some people like it more spicy, so we make it more spicy for some people.
Okay.
And but this is our recipe, and try it. Let me know what you think. And the hummus are also made from scratch.
Hummus, wow. So hot. Wow. Greek falafel.
Good flavor.
Good flavor, fresh. Outside crispy and inside the soft. Amazing. I love to eat falafel with hummus.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, that's amazing. What's inside the falafel?
It's made with parsley, garbanzos, jalapenos, onions,
Okay.
and spices.
So delicious. Let's try it. Little bit French fries.
Yes. This is our Greek fries.
Greek fries, yeah?
Greek fries. They got garlic
Okay.
and feta cheese and spices and parsley.
Okay.
And people love to eat them, especially as a snack or an appetizer
Okay.
or late night snack. People come and get them.
Movie,
So,
yeah.
yes.
Wow. Delicious, soft, and you feel garlic inside your mouth. And there's a lot of different spices inside.
And it has a little bit of lemon.
Lemon, yeah, I feel lemon. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. What's exactly the location here?
The location here, we're located in Milpitas.
Okay.
We're located on East Calaveras Boulevard and Hillview,
Okay.
right next to 680
680.
freeway,
Okay.
and very close to the city hall.
City Hall.
Yeah,
Okay.
Milpitas, yeah.
How to pronounce the restaurant name?
A Mikonos Grill
Mikonos Grill
Yes.
in Milpitas.
in Milpitas, yes.
Great, thank you so much.
Enjoy it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate for everything.
Thank you.
French fries is delicious. Right. Let's try Greek hummus. Your everything in the restaurant have halal meat. They are served halal meat. If you guys want halal meat, also they have everything halal and cat. Also Greek restaurant with halal meat. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget subscribe our channel. Those person subscribe our channel, I really appreciate it. And thanks for your beautiful comment. Thanks for your subscribe and support, thumbs up, to not miss any our video. Also thanks for share our channel with your Instagram, social media, Facebook. Have a great time. We're going to city, country to country, test halal food, halal meat, and we're going to halal restaurant. Have a great time. Bye.